Well, hello there, and welcome back. I sound so sexy, don't I? Stop it. So, I have an updated wash and go routine for you guys featuring the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection. So, to start off, I'm going to be separating my hair into sections. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. I will be utilizing my Denman brush first to make sure I get all the tangles out. Then I'm going to rake the product into my hair and make sure I evenly distribute the product. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the curling custard and rake that into my hair as well. This is good stuff, guys. It smells so good and it defines my curls just the way I like it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sit down. Sit down a little bit. Okay, good. Stop. Sit down. Does anyone else finish the whole container of a product in just one use? Every time I want to do my hair, I have to make sure that I have an entire container of products available because I will use it all up. If your shirt don't look like this after you're done finishing up your hair, you're not doing it right, okay? And now I just have to let these babies air dry and bow chicka wow wow. And now just to finish up, I'm going to spray some of my favorite oil sheen onto my hair for some extra moisture and shine. And there you have it, guys. I've got a bomb ass wash and go with super moisturized and defined curls and great volume. And that is all thanks to the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and look out for the next video. Bye!